everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we have a very important topic to discuss: why you are still not profitable or different stages in day trading. So this is crucially important to understand, because maybe if you are struggling to make money in day trading, it is probably because you do not really understand in which stage you are. And if you don't understand the stage that you are going through, then it may be hard to understand how profitable day trading looks like and how far is successful day trading. So in general, it is crucially important to understand these day trading stages, because it will help you psychologically, it will ease up your mindset. Basically, you will understand where you are in your trading journey and where do you need to go in order to become that successful, profitable day trader. So the first stage is a learning phase. So learning phase is a phase that everybody goes through. Imagine you are just starting day trading. Day trading may look like a complete rocket science. It may look that you will never be able to understand it. It may be very frustrating. I remember when I started day trading looked like absolute rocket science. There were so many numbers. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what buttons I should press, how to open buy, how to open sell positions, how to make money, and what is this thing called day trading. There are so many confusing day trading platforms. So if you are a complete beginner, this is completely normal. If you are starting any kind of business or starting any new sport, you will be a beginner and you will look like a complete idiot, because you will not be able to understand what you need to do. So imagine you are starting some sort of new business or new sport. At first you will be a complete beginner, you will look like an idiot, you will not be able to know anything because you are just starting out, and that's completely normal. And that happens everywhere in life, and same happens in day trading. And day trading is, in my opinion, is a little bit more confusing than other things in life. So in order to understand day trading, you just have to make those first steps, try to understand the basics of technical analysis, the basics of psychology. So the other day trading stage that follows learning phase is greed stage or break-even phase in day trading. And in my opinion, this is actually the hardest stage. It's actually harder than a learning phase for a few simple reasons that you will understand a little bit later. So what is a greed stage? Now, greed stage the word greed may be a little bit confusing here. Greed stage is basically when you have mastered all the fundamentals of technical analysis, you mastered all the fundamentals of psychology, of risk management. Basically, in general, you already know what you're doing. You know about different trading platforms, you know about different trading brokers, and you are able to sit next to your charts and you are able to make good, profitable trades. You are not always profitable, so you are still not a profitable trader, because sometimes you are basically either losing a little bit of money in general overall or breaking even. So this is where it is a greed stage or a break-even stage. Let's call it break-even stage, and this is actually the most frustrating stage in day trading, because people imagine when they are thinking about successful day trading, they are imagining that there is only a learning phase and then a success phase. So you just learn and then you magically become successful. But actually it is a little bit far from reality. The reality is that you learn and then you are in this long break-even stage. It may be for a year, it may be for 2 years or even 3 years. It's different for different people. It depends really how you are able to manage your emotions, manage your psychology, and just in general understand how to become profitable. So overall, in order to understand the break-even phase, it's pretty simple. If you are sitting next to your charts and you are feeling comfortable, you know what you're doing, you are able to make good trades. Sometimes you're making bad trades, but overall, in general, you are breaking even. So this is probably because there are a lot of things that you need to do in order to escape this break-even phase, which we'll leave for the other video. But basically, it's probably pretty simple to understand. If you are still not making money, probably you are mismanaging your emotions, or you do not have a clear trading plan. Maybe your risk management is off, In these cases, you are in a break-even stage, and this is the most frustrating stage. In learning phase, you are making mistakes, but you are still making some good progress. You are starting to understand what is day trading about and so on. But break-even stage is usually when you are not really sure what is missing, why you are still not profitable. So this is the break-even stage. So in order to understand these phases more in depth, I can basically show you, to give you an understanding what being a trader in different phases looks like. So for example, you are on your trading charts, and for example over here, you open your trading chart, and if you are in a learning phase, you are feeling not confident when you're analyzing the market. So maybe you're looking at the markets and you understand that the market is going upwards, it's going downwards, it's going maybe sideways. You know how to draw a trend line, but in general it really takes a long time for you to understand where do you need to mark these levels, where is a trend line, what do you need to do. It's hard really to plan a trade because you are still learning everything, you are not really confident. So in this case, you are probably in a learning phase where you are still learning, where you are still getting comfortable with the charts, and this is the first learning phase. When you are in a break-even stage, now the first thing to understand if you are in a break-even stage is that you feel confident and you feel comfortable. So when you open your chart, you instantly are able to mark your trend lines, you understand market structure or whatever you're trading, you understand the support and resistance levels. You just open the chart and you can instantly from your experience, you are able to read where the market will go. And not only that, but after reading, you are instantly able to plan your trades. And maybe you're thinking, okay, maybe we're in a consolidation, this is where the market will turn, here I will open buy position, here I will open short position. And in this case, you are, as I mentioned before, you are sometimes making good trades, sometimes you're making bad trades, but in general, in this stage, you are able to make a decent amount of good trades, but maybe the bad trades exceeds, or in general, you are still not able to make money, to make consistent money in the markets. So this is a break-even stage, and in this stage what you should do is not focus on technical analysis, but focus on understanding proper risk management, understanding your mistakes, understanding trading journaling, and all of these things. And these things will help you to get to that third stage. And the last stage is obviously a success stage. So the success day trading stage is basically when you have mastered everything, but you have not only mastered technical analysis, but now you understand psychology, you understand the correct trading philosophy, you understand how to be a profitable, consistent trader. So you are basically trading like a robot without any emotions, and you are able to consistently extract money from the financial markets. This is a stage when you are a profitable day trader, and this is what is called a successful day trading. So successful day trading is not making some gambling, huge risky moves and making thousands of dollars in one trade, but rather it is a calculated approach where you are consistently making money in the financial markets. So if you guys enjoyed this episode, leave that like button, subscribe, and see you in other videos.